In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a customer statement in QuickBooks Online, a crucial task for keeping your business finances well organized and your clients informed. Let's jump right in and get started on simplifying this process for your benefit. First off, you'll need to sign in to QuickBooks Online, open your web browser, and head over to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. It's essential to have your credentials handy, as you'll need them to access your account securely. Once you're on the login page, type in your credentials and click on Continue. Depending on your account security settings, you might also need to complete two-factor authentication. After successfully logging in, you'll land on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. From here, look for the Customers and Leads tab and click on it. This tab is your gateway to managing customer transactions and communications, so it's an important area to get familiar with. Once in the Customers section, you'll see a list of your clients. This is where you get to select the customers for whom you want to create statements. Simply check the boxes next to the names of those customers. This selection process allows you to manage multiple customers' accounts at the same time, making it both efficient and straightforward. Now that you've selected the customers, direct your attention to the Batch Actions drop-down menu. Click on it. The Batch Actions feature is quite handy as it lets you apply actions to multiple customers at once. From this drop-down, select Create Statements. By doing so, QuickBooks Online will generate statements for the customers you've chosen. With your statements ready, the next step is to ensure everything looks good before printing. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find the option to print or preview. Click on that. This step is crucial as it allows you to take one last look at the statements, ensuring all details are correct and up to date. Reviewing helps to catch any discrepancies that might affect customer relations or financial accuracy. Finally, if everything looks satisfactory in the preview, go ahead and proceed with printing the statement. Click on Print and make sure your printer is set up correctly to avoid any issues. Printing out customer statements keeps a physical record of the transaction details and can be quite useful for your customers' bookkeeping purposes. And there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide to printing customer statements in QuickBooks Online. By following these instructions, you can keep your financial processes running smoothly and maintain a professional relationship with your customers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our content for additional tips and tutorials on managing your business with QuickBooks Online.